It's finally over! For the first time ever, Samsung will have zero involvement in the chipset of the Galaxy S23 series. No more Exynos, no more Samsung's poorly processed Snapdragon chips. Only top-level stuff. Rejoice, oh my Galaxy Knights, as the savior Qualcomm is here. Yes, Qualcomm has officially confirmed for the second time that Galaxy S23 series will get Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 globally. The CFO of Qualcomm revealed some very important details that will make so many of the European customers happy who were screwed this year by Samsung's Exynos 2200. According to Qualcomm CFO, the 75% share of chipsets in the Galaxy S22 series is now moved to a global share with the S23 series, meaning Qualcomm chipset will be on all models of the S23 series worldwide. It is truly over. We won. I'm saying this because a lot of people within Samsung wanted Exynos to be there despite having a poor performance compared to Snapdragon chips, just simply because it helps Samsung save some money. Now with the 8 Gen 2, we can expect the absolute top-notch performance on all models regardless of the market. The 8 Gen 2 is already better than Apple A16 with the best GPU performance on any phone. It has an incredible CPU jump as well as a great camera ISP to unlock even better pictures than the S22 Ultra. Speaking of the pictures, we have what could be the final camera specs for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The main sensor is coming at 200 megapixels along with a 10 megapixel 10x optical zoom, plus with another 3x zoom lens along with a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor. It's once again going to be the most complete camera system indeed on any phone out there. Samsung already has the best zoom performance on any phone, a very impressive photo performance with HDR being very consistent. The only thing that is mainly focused on is increasing the resolution for even better clarity in photos, along with the massive improvements with the night mode and low light performance. We can expect better video in low light as well as true 8K video now that we have 200 megapixel sensor and an ultra stabilization mode, which is going to unlock 2.8K or maybe 4K quality for those ultra stabilized videos. Along with the camera, Samsung is fully focused on dethroning Apple as the new battery life king. According to iSunniverse, the Galaxy S23 series might have a brand new light mode which is optimized to keep the battery performance top notch. It's actually not going to affect the refresh rate or even gaming performance of the phone. It's just going to intelligently optimize the CPU speed when you're using general apps like Instagram or Facebook, giving you the optimal performance while increasing the maximum battery life. It might actually be enabled by default, but we'll see about that. Now last but not the least, we have a latest rumor regarding the announcement of the Galaxy S23 series from Korea. According to this new report, the Galaxy S23 series could go on sale on February 17th, meaning the event could happen in the first week of February 2023. This news is definitely contradictory to what we have heard earlier, which is the launch in January. I gotta say, the announcement rumors are very mixed, so we can't say for sure when it will happen until we hear from some more credible sources. So yeah, there we go. Qualcomm has officially removed the biggest fear that fans had regarding the S23 lineup, which was the Exynos chip for European markets. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.